Morning, dear students. Today we will continue our chapter of grammar portion, direct and indirect speech of will, shall, can, would. So will, shall, these helping verbs are used in future tense, and these are also the modal helping verbs. So will, shall, should. These are the helping modal also, and will is changed into would, shall is changed into should, can is changed into could, and may is changed into might. When we make direct to indirect speech. Here you can see the example. John said, "I shall be back in a week." So here that said of reported speech it changed into should. So the sentence of indirect speech will be John said that. That is the connector I told you study. So John said that. Here I, the subject of the reported, means the pronoun of the reported speech is changed according to the person of the reporting subject. Here he should be, shall is changed into should. Be back in a week. Okay, same as here. That may be changed into might and can be changed into could. Vikas said the police may raid here at any time. So here it will be changed in there, and the modal will change into might. This modal may be changed into might here. So the sentence of the indirect speech will be Vikas said that connector the police might raid there. Here is changed into there at any time. The next example, he said one can solve. Here can is changed into could. So one can solve this question paper in 2 hours. Then he said that one could solve this question paper in 2 hours. So in this way, these modals can be changed. Will is changed into would, shall into should, may into might, can into could. Here students, the tense of the verb of the reported speech is not changed in the following cases. So tense of the reported speech. Okay, reported speech like here the earth moves around the sun. This is the reported speech, and this is the reporting speech. Means the tense of the reported speech is not changed in following cases. The first number, if the reported speech expresses a universal truth. Means here the reported speech expresses a universal truth. In that case, in indirect speech, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Here you can see the teacher said the earth moves around the sun. So here this is the reported speech, and it expresses a universal truth, means earth moves around the sun. This is the sentence of a universal truth. So in that case, the tense of the indirect speech is not changed. The teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. So here the earth moves around the sun is not changing. The tense of this reported speech in indirect speech is not changed. Next condition, if the reported speech expresses a habitual action. Habitual action means the action which we are fond of. So in that case, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Example, Vinay said, "I usually go to bed in late night." So I usually go to bed in late night. This is the habit of Vinay. And in that case, in habitual action, the tense of the reported speech is not changed. You can see, Vinay said that. He, here the pronoun I is changed into he, usually goes. Okay. So here the sentence in simple present, go to bed. So the tense is not changed. He usually goes to bed in late night. Third condition, if the verb of the reporting speech either in present tense or in future tense, means verb of the reporting speech here, I told you this is the reporting speech, and in that is in quotation mark, that is reported speech, means the verb of the reporting speech is in present tense or in future tense. Okay, in that case the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Here Reena says, so here says this is the present tense, simple present. Reena says she likes mangoes. So she likes mango. This is also, this reported speech is also in simple present tense. So the tense of the reported speech is not changed. You can see here Reena says that she likes mangoes. Second example, he will say. Here the reporting verb is in simple present tense, will say. In that case the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Here he will say that he is hungry. Here he will say that I am hungry. This is the direct speech, and he will say that he is hungry. Okay. Here students, how to change assertive sentences into indirect speech. Assertive sentence means affirmative and negative sentences. Both are assertive sentences. So first, remove the quotation mark. You have to remove the quotation mark. This is the quotation mark. Then use the conjunction that. In indirect speech, you have to use the conjunction that. And then change the reporting verb say to into tell. If your reporting verb is say to, here says, but if the reporting verb is say to, means your reporting verb takes an object. In that case, you have to write tell in place of say to. And then change the reporting verb said to, means said to is changed into told. Okay. Here you can see example. Renu says, I love my country. So here I told you, if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, in that case the tense of the reported speech is not changed. So here Renu says, I love my country. Then Renu says that she loves her country. If your reporting verb would be here say to, that will be changed into tell. Next example, Pradeep said. Here your reporting verb is in past tense. Then in that case the tense of the reported speech is changed, but if that is universal truth, that will not be changed. Okay. So here Pradeep said the earth revolves around the sun. So here the earth revolves around the sun, that your reported speech is a universal truth. In that case the tense of the reported speech is not changed. Okay. Pradeep said that the earth revolves around the sun. Then Varun said to Vikas. Here your reporting verb said to takes an object Vikas. In that case said to is changed into told, and said to is changed into tell. Okay. Then Varun said to Vikas, I have bought a new book. Then your reporting verb is said to is changed into told. Okay. Then the indirect speech, Varun told Vikas that he had bought a new book. Okay. Means said to is changed in that case if your reporting verb said to takes an object. Okay. Said to is changed into told, and said to is changed into tell if the reporting verb takes an object. Clear? Then next example you see. Neha said to Manish, I shall take this pen. So here two things are here. here said to is reporting verb. It takes an object, that's why it will be changed into told. And here shall is used, that is modal, so it will be changed into would. And the subject pronoun of reported speech also will be changed. So Neha told Manish. Okay, Neha said to Manish means Neha told Manish. Said to change into told. Then I pronoun is changed into she, because here Neha, the subject is Neha. She would take that pen. This pen means it shows the nearness, and if any pronoun is used which shows the nearness, that will be changed into which shows the farness. Here that. So in place of this that is used in indirect speech, it shows farness. Okay. Dear students, how to change the pronouns used in the reported speech. So here reported speech, I told you, is we keep reported speech in double inverted comma quotation mark. So how to change the pronoun? Here the pronoun of the first person, I, we, me, mine, us, our, are changed according to the person and gender of the subject of the reporting verb. Means according to the person and gender of the subject of the reporting speech or reporting verb. So here this is the reporting speech and this is the subject of the reporting speech, Amit. So according to the gender and person of the reporting verb, the pronoun of the reported speech of the first person is changed. Here Amit said to Priya, I am not satisfied with my job. So here said to is changed into told, and Amit told Priya. Okay, that character is used. And then I, the pronoun of the reported speech, it is in first person and it is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Here this is the subject of the reporting verb. So Amit, that is for him it is he is used here, and I am not satisfied with my job, it is used in present tense. So that's why here that reported speech, the tense of the reported speech is changed. He was not satisfied with his job. So here mine, that it is also in first person, that is pronoun, and it is changed into his. Okay. So here I am not satisfied with my job, then he was not satisfied with his job. Okay. So mine is changed into his, because we are talking about Amit told Priya. Okay, so we are talking about Amit and he is the subject. Amit is the subject of the reporting verb. Okay, here said to, and said to is changed into told. The pronoun of the second person. Okay, we were talking about the first person, I, we, me, mine, us and our, and the pronoun of the second person, you and your, are changed according to the person and gender of the object. Okay, second person pronoun are changed according to the gender of the object of the reporting verb. So here this is the object of the reporting verb, and said to is reporting verb here, and object of the reporting verb Aditi. So according to object of the reporting verb, the pronoun of the second person will be changed. Here, because said to Aditi, you must be sincere to your study. So here he is giving an advice. So that's why here we will write advised, not said to, not told. So because advised Aditi, and here Aditi is object of the reporting verb. That's why here the second person is pronoun of the second person will be changed according to object of the reporting verb. So here that is Aditi, and for her we will use she. So Aditi, that she must be sincere to her study, है ना. Your is changed into her because gender is changed here. Aditi, feminine gender is used here, and Aditi is the object of the reporting verb. So here the pronoun of the second person will be changed according to the object of the reporting verb. She is changed, you is changed into she, and your is changed into her.